Yo, what is up everybody? I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to vanish a coin, a small rock, or like a marble, I don't know, whatever you want to use. I prefer a coin, just because it's easier, and it's kind of, I don't know. Anyways, basically what I'm going to be showing you guys is just a quick little vanish. It works pretty well actually, and I do use this a lot. So, I do have one thing to say. Did you know that 78% of you guys who watch my videos are not subscribed? That's a pretty high number. So if you're going to watch my videos and not subscribe, I don't really get that. Like, if you're going to watch my videos, just subscribe. It's free. I mean, then you can always know when I upload a video so you can watch it. Just go subscribe right now. You better go do it right now. Okay guys, anyways, into the vanish. So basically what it's going to look like, it's better in person because you do need some misdirection, but, so you're going to take the coin and just put it in my hand right here, and if I just throw it up, it probably didn't even catch it on camera, but like, you probably saw what I did, honestly. This does require misdirection. But anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay guys, so here's how you're going to do the vanish. This is going to take a lot of practice. It may seem really simple. The move is really simple, but it's going to take a lot of practice. You have no idea. I've practiced this so much. So basically you're going to take your coin, preferably a quarter or a $50 or something. I prefer a quarter. It just fits like perfectly into my hand. So basically right here, your first and middle finger are going to not be touching the coin. The coin is going to go basically in between your ring finger and sort of touching your pinky right there. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to put the coin right there, and basically what it's going to look like is that you're putting it in this hand, right? So that's what it's supposed to look like. So, but really what you're doing is you're putting it in, but you're really not putting the coin in. So basically when you come over to drop it, you're going to squeeze with this finger and dump, but you're not really actually putting it in there. And at the same time that you're doing this, you're closing your hand so that it looks like you're dumping it into your hand. Trust me, this will take so much practice just to get used to getting this motion down. Because at first it's going to not look very good, but then after a while it'll look pretty good like this. Like that looks pretty good, like it's actually going to this hand. But anyways, so like I said, you're basically going to curl your ring finger right there and just curl it in like this. So your hand should kind of look like this when you're doing the move. I kind of curl all three of these fingers, but it's this one that's actually clenching on the coin, and then you just curl these three with it. It's kind of like that. And then I kind of just like tap, and then I go into the vanish. Now, how you're probably not wondering because the performance was so bad, but basically anyways, let's just say you're wondering. You're probably wondering how I got my other hand to be empty. Well, thankfully, I have my lucky friend called the pocket. So, it is, okay, now, I know what you're thinking. You're going to be like, oh, it's so obvious when you put something in your pocket. Well, that's what I always thought as well, until I found the best way to do this. Actually from one of Chris Ramsey's videos, and this actually helped me decide to pocket more. Is that even the right word, to pocket it? I don't know, whatever. So one thing you can also do is, let's say you have like a Sharpie in your pocket or something like that. You can do the vanish, drop the coin into your pocket as you take out a Sharpie and like use it to vanish the coin or something. I don't know. You can do that. That's what I would usually do when I didn't know how to pocket things correctly. So anyways, so back to like the motion of dumping that coin into this hand. It is gonna take lots of practice. I keep saying that, and it's so true, honestly. If you've practiced this move before, you'll know what I mean. So if I dump this coin into this hand, I have to pretty much close my hand as soon as I dump it, like this. So just practice doing that. Like, just curl this and just keep dumping it like that. Just keep practicing that over and over and over again. And the reason you curl your fingers, trust me, this is going to be like, oh, that doesn't seem natural. If you just put a coin in your hand and just dump it in, your fingers are going to naturally curl anyways. That's just how it works. So doing that doesn't look any different. It just looks like you're tossing it into your hand and closing it. Okay? So just try this move. Trust me. This is, if I'm going to vanish something like a coin or anything for a trick, this is the vanish I'm going to use because it looks the best and it feels the most natural, and I don't know, it just, I've never been caught by it, honestly, unless I do it like a bunch of times to like a friend at school just as a joke or something. Because I mean, it's not like the most powerful sleight of hand that you can't reveal to anyone, you know. I mean, I'm revealing it on YouTube. Anyways, so anyways, we're gonna get straight to the pocketing, like to ditching the coin into your pocket right now. Okay guys, so now we're gonna get straight into pocketing the coin. So once you do the vanish like this, sorry, this table is not actually attached to this table. It keeps moving all over the place. I need to just get it stuck down. I don't know why I haven't done that yet. Next video, I'm gonna have that stuck down. Anyways, so once you vanish the coin and you just hold it out, you kind of like show it like this. You're gonna want to ditch this really fast, okay? So what I like to do, the vanish I like to do, which again I saw on Chris Ramsey's channel, and I actually I'll leave the link to where you can find that video. It's to like how to teleport a coin under a watch. This isn't where I learned this coin vanish, but I learned a few subtleties from that video, like pocketing it and other things. So basically what you're gonna do is once you put in that hand, the vanish I like to do is like throwing it up in the air, but you're gonna go up higher, but the camera isn't gonna pick it up if I go all the way up there. So you're gonna put it up there, you're gonna bring your hand like up high, like about chest level, and then as it's up there, they're looking at your hand because they think the coin is in your hand. As you do that, you're just gonna take your middle finger, open up this pocket right here, put your other fingers, literally just slide the coin right into the pocket, just like that. Trust me, if you practice this a lot, you can do it super fast. Like, but you're gonna want like open pockets. You don't want like jean pockets or something like that. That's not gonna work. You want like shorts pockets or sweatpants or something like that. So once you teleport the coin, you just dump it. See, I can do it super fast because I've practiced it so much. So you just want to really get that down. So just practice doing that and then dumping it and then vanish it. So then when you come up, you kind of come up with your hand and throw it up. Like, let's say my hand is already up and I'm just going to go up, but I'm going to do it higher up. The camera's not going to see it. So for your vanish, you're going to go throw it up in the air, right? And as you're throwing it up, as you're bringing your arm up to throw, you have to ditch it in that time period of the arm going up. So you have to get this nailed pretty good, okay? So this is why you need so much practice, because if you're going to ditch it, you need to practice it, okay? Because you need to get really fast at it. So, because you can't just be, do the thing and then just be talking or something. You could, but they're going to be looking at your hand, okay? So you want to just ditch it quickly and throw it up and then show both hands empty. So that is the vanish, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was fun to make, and I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said earlier, and smash that like button. It really helps me out. And anyways, I'll see you guys next time.